dash cam used to be a dashboard camera, but dashboard is worse place to put it. Let me explain why. Most people know a dash cam should be go up there, but a lot of drivers still place it here, just because of its old name. If you thought the same, it's a common mistake. KAWA has been developing dash cam technology for over a decade. During that time, we've studied thousands of vehicles in all shapes and sizes, so we came to one simple conclusion. The best place to install is actually upper part of your windshield. If you mount your dash cam too low or right in the center of the windshield, it can block part of your view when driving, and during an accident, you are more likely to miss crucial details like a license plate. Today I'm using KAWA Mini 7 Pro and show you the correct way to install it. The ideal spot is right behind your rear view mirror that keeps camera perfectly centered, won't obstruct your line of sight, and gives you the best possible view of the road ahead. Mounted here also makes cable routing cleaner or your cabin stays neat. Honestly, just feel better every time you get in the car. That's the best way to install a dash cam. And Mercy, if you have any questions, drop a comment and message me.